When you practice backhand clear over there, you know he's hitting there. So your starting step is the same. You do one side step, and then clear. And then you come back. One side step, you clear, and you come back. Now, shuttle may go higher. Shuttle may go deeper. Shuttle may go faster. Let's say if shuttle go faster, then you need only one because you don't have time to do more. Very small, quick, one hit. Watch my feet. Shuttle fast. 1, 2. Shuttle goes higher, deeper. Then you need 2, maybe 3, but normally 2. Watch there. Shuttle goes there. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. To go deeper. But when I see your backhand clip, every single shot, every single movement is equal. One side step, hit, come back. One side step, hit, come back. It is better you practice with 2 steps. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Then, if situation is urgent, you automatically do 1, 2. But if you just practice 1, 2 all the time, and shuttle goes deeper, then you will be in trouble because you will do same step for not the right shuttlecock, and you will lose the timing, and shuttle will be completely behind you. When you do 1, too comfortable, too loose, too big. Compare. That's important. 1, 2. So moving 1, hitting 1 is equal time, 50-50. At the beginning, side step movement has to be faster. 1, 2, faster, faster, faster. Because you did faster, you have more time before you hit it. Faster, hold it, bang, attack. Ready. Compare. 1, 2, ready. 1, 2, hit, ready. The second way, I have more control. I am more ready after the shot. But first way, I am happy just for hitting this shot. Not ready for, not preparing for after. In order to be ready for the next shot, the initial steps has to be faster. You have more time to hold, you have more time to think before the shot. But if the first step is loose and big, slow, when you are hitting, you have to rush. It's different, big different.